Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is and Worth It. So for the episode, this cool right here, and basically what this is some insulated water bottle. It is from a brand called GrandTies. And right here they mention how it is a wide mouth insulated bottle that comes with two different sports lids. And this is the 32 ounce one. So we take a look on the side right here. They tell you guys some of the specs that's on the product right here. So I'm actually opening up both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like and what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that it does include a little lid right there. And right underneath that, you can see they have a protection layer right there. So let's open up. Alright, so when you guys open up, you guys can see the water bottle right there. So let's take it out. So this is basically what the product looks like. It's all nicely wrapped. Let me actually take out from the wrapper first. Alright, so this is basically what the lid looks like. Definitely has a very nice little handle that you can use right here. And it is insulated, you can see right here. And I definitely love the way how to design the actual lid right here, or the silicone part right here. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to take it out and wash it if you guys need to, with this little flap right here. But that is the first lid right here. Next up we have the water bottle right here. Alright, so when you take it out from the wrapper, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely feels like a high quality product. It is made out of high quality stainless steel. The outer layer definitely has very nice coating outside that is rust resistant, and I believe they also mentioned how it's like scratch resistant, which is pretty awesome for the outer layer. But this was on the bottom part right here, and then the front part they do have the little logo here, and then right here is the lid. So I definitely love the overall design of the actual product. It definitely has that midnight black design. It has a little bit of a blue right here, which is what I like a lot. And then for the lid, you can see you do have a little opener right here. That makes it easier for you guys to actually open it like this. And then drink out of that if you guys want to. And when you're done, just close it back up. And for this lid, eventually they actually have two handle options right here. So you can actually carry like that if you guys need to, or you can actually carry like that. So if you guys want to get like a carabiner or something, you can hook it onto here or hook it onto here and put it onto your backpack or something. But this is basically what it looks like on the outside right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys the inside. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like inside right here. So this lid also has that insulation, but it also has a little flap that makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean it if you guys need to pull it out, which is pretty nice. And then this is what it looks like inside right here in terms of the insulation water bottle right here. And then when you guys actually put this into your ear, you definitely hear that like echo and everything, so that way you guys know the actual product is insulated. But this is basically what it looks like with the first lid right here. Let me actually put in the other lid to show you guys what it actually looks like as well. Alright, so when you put on the other lid, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So this one just has a little handle option right here to carry around, not like the other one. So if you guys need to drink water or whatever, you can just open it up like this and just drink out of it like that. And when you're done, just close it back up. But this is basically what it looks like for the first one right here. Let me open the other one as well to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you open the other one, you can see it's basically the same thing. It has a little lid right here and it's well protected right there. So let's open it up. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside right there. So same thing, there's a little water bottle right there. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So literally the same thing, it's all nicely wrapped. You get one lid here and the other lid that's inside right here. Let me actually take out the wrapper first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Definitely has that very nice ivory white design on here, and also has a very nice little handle that's the same thing as the other one as well. Inside is basically the same thing, where it has that silicone ring right here, and it has a little flap that makes it easier for you guys to take it out to wash it if you guys need to. And the top part right here, they do have the stainless steel design, which is pretty cool as well. So that is the first lid. Let's take this one out as well. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. Definitely looks like a high quality water bottle. So everything is basically the same thing as the other one. They definitely have the coating on the side right here that is rust resistant and scratch resistant as well. And they do have the little lid that can open up like this, which is the same thing as the other one. And then the two handle option right here and also right here as well, if you guys need to carry around with you guys. I definitely love the design of the actual water bottle. You can see right here, it definitely has that very nice ivory white color, and it has that very nice design right here that actually makes it stand out as a water bottle. On the bottom right here, they definitely have the logo, and they do have the stainless steel on the bottom right here. And then this will look like in the bottom right here. And for this bottle and the other bottle is the same thing, which is 32 ounce. But then I should open the inside and show you guys what it looks like as well. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is what it looks like. So same thing inside, insulation inside, and they do have the little flap right here to make it easier for you guys to take it out and wash it. Same thing for this one, when you guys put it onto your ear, you definitely hear that echo as well. So that's how you guys know it is insulated. So that's what it looks like with the first lid. Let me put on the other lid right here. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for the second lid right here. If you guys can see, definitely looks pretty awesome. So when I put a side-by-side comparison of both of them, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So one of them is a black color and the other one is an ivory white. And this is what it looks like for both of the lids right here. Let me actually take out both of the lids and put on the other one to show you guys a side-by-side comparison as well. Alright, so here is a side-by-side comparison of both of these bottles right here with this lid on. If you guys can see, both of them looks pretty awesome. For me, honestly, I prefer going for the midnight black design because it has a little bit of blue right here. But the one that we have right here on this side, this one's ivory white. And in terms of the specs for both of these water bottles, they are leak proof and they are also BPA free as well, which is pretty awesome. And then obviously, since both of them are insulated, you can definitely put like hot stuff or cold stuff in here and should definitely keep it hot or cold for a really long time. But I definitely love the wide mouth design, so that way if you guys need to like clean the inside, just the top part, you definitely can. But the cool thing about the fact of how it has a wide mouth design, it makes it a lot easier for you guys to just roll ice inside if you guys need to. So that's basically everything that's on the product right here in terms of what it actually looks like and what's actually included. Let me actually bring this over to the countertop to show you guys how it works in terms of the insulation and also the leak proof design as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got both water right here, but since both of them are the same thing, I'll just test out one of them. So I'll test out the black one right here. So I'll test out both lid, both this one and this one right here. But we'll start with this one right here first. So I want to take out the piece of paper inside as well. And first thing I want to do is check the temperature inside to show you guys what the temperature is inside before we add hot and cold water inside. Alright, so you can see the temperature right now inside is 75 degrees. Let's add some cold water in first and test that out. Alright, let's check the temperature again. Alright, so temperature is still 74, but let me add some ice inside. Alright, so I got my ice tray right here. Let me get some ice and put it inside. So I'll add a few of these inside to make sure it's cold. Alright, so that should be good if I can hear the ice inside. Let's test it out again. Alright, so you can see it's much colder now. It's around 33 degrees. So the product definitely does work in terms of insulation to keep the product cold. But now I'm actually add some hot water inside. Alright, so I got some hot water inside right here. So I'm gonna pour it inside. I'll just pour a little bit because we don't need that much. Alright, so we got the hot water inside. Let's test it out again. Alright, so you can see the water inside is definitely pretty hot. It's around 178 degrees. So definitely it is keeping the water warm inside. You can see all like the smoke and everything coming out. So now let's actually test it out to see whether or not it's actually leak proof or not. So I'll start with this lid right here first. Make sure it's sealed all the way. Alright, so you can see the product is definitely leak proof with this lid right here. But let's test out the other one as well. So for this lid, you guys want to make sure this one is sealed up right here and this one is sealed up as well. Alright, so that should be good. Alright, so you can see the product is definitely leak proof as well for both lids. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and works quite well. If you guys can see from the test, it is leak proof, so you don't have to worry about it spilling anytime soon. As long as you guys close it up correctly, then you should be fine. And also in terms of the insulation on the product, you can see it actually works quite well. So whether you guys want to put hot stuff or cold stuff, you can definitely use it for both. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and testing on the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want everything that I mentioned in here in terms of the insulation, the coating outside that makes it rust resistant and scratch resistant. And also the fact of how they give you guys two different lids to actually use. So whether you guys want to use one for indoor or outdoor, you definitely get both options available. And especially if you guys drink a lot of water or liquid, this is actually really cool as well. Because it actually lets you guys fill up to 32 ounces of liquid. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to do one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.